When we designed Atlas, we had one thing in mind, the patient experience. I thought, if my family was going to get surgery, what is the experience I would want them to have? And with that in mind, we created Atlas.
Our vision here at Atlas was to shift the treatment paradigm for our patients from the acute care hospital setting to a facility such as Atlas to provide and enhance a better patient experience while maintaining the ability to do the same techniques, treat the same disorders, and use the same technologies that we would have access to for our patients in the hospital.
What is really unique about the Atlas Surgery Center is the collaborative efforts that we have with our partners. We have people that are bringing different things to the table. Together, working, we're really able to create something that is very, very special.
I wanted to be a part of the Atlas initiative because I couldn't do what I do here at other locations. I'm grateful that I'm able to do my whole gamut of procedures, of which we do hundreds in this building.
We really focus on the patient experience. A lot of the design of the Atlas Surgical Center is to provide a more comfortable, calming experience.
The environment at Atlas is special really because of the people. We have assembled an incredible team that's going to give them the highest likelihood to have a great outcome with their surgery.
So we were able to select the best of the best nurses in Western New York, and the entire team did such a great job filling this facility with the right supplies, materials, and no expense was spared.
The neurosurgeons who work here are truly best in class. They are fellowship trained, they have expertise in spine surgery and minimally invasive brain surgery.
Each of us brings a different degree and a different area of expertise.
We have experts in neurosurgery and interfacial pain management that are world-renowned.
We believe that outpatient neurosurgery should be done in an outpatient center like Atlas.
We're doing things here, pioneering things that no one's ever seen before.